Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is semilunar valve air are not present. A. At base of pulmonary trunk. B. At base of aorta. C. In veins. And D. Coronary artery. So the correct option is C. In veins. The next MCQ is second major form of hepatitis is A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, C. Hepatitis C, D. Hepatitis D. So the correct option is B. Hepatitis B. The next MCQ is scales are present in A. Fishes, B. Amphibians, C. Birds, D. Reptiles. So the correct option is B. Amphibians. The next MCQ is reduction division is A. Mitosis, B. Mitosis, C. Meiosis 1 and D. Meiosis 2. So the correct option is C. Meiosis 1. The next MCQ is reactive part of amino acids are A. Alpha carbon and amino group, B. Amino group and carboxylic group, C. Carboxyl group and R group, D. R group and alpha carbon. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is Thailand can convert starch into a monosaccharide form, B. Oligosaccharide form, C. Polysaccharide form, and D. All given option. So the correct option is B. Oligosaccharide form. The next MCQ is process of aging. A. Can be slowed down by adequate sleep. B. Can be slowed down by regular meals. C. Cannot be slowed down in any way. And D. Both by adequate sleep and regular meal. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is planet protects itself from rapid chilling through A. Increasing unsaturated fatty acid, B. Increasing protein contents, and C. Both increasing proteins contents and unsaturated acid, and D. None of given. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is plant on which teleospores attack produce dash in its seeds. A. Teleospores. B. Dikaryotic hyphae. C. Monokaryotic hyphae. And D. None of these. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is pick the mismatch pair for balls. A. Air spaces lighter body. B. Pectoral muscles strong full of wings. C. Urinary bladder producing semi-solid urine. D. Keel attachment of muscles. The next MCQ is so the correct option is C. Urinary bladder producing semi-solid urine. The next MCQ is pick the correct option about Dorsopila. A. Male is larger with pointed abdomen. C. Female has 6 combs on front legs. C. It has generation time of just 8 weeks. D. Salivary gland cells have GANT chromosomes in their nuclei. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is percentage of magnesium by mass of a human being is A. 0.005%, B. 0.25%, C. 0.15%, and D. 0.15%. 0.35%. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is pectoral fins are enlarged in A. Whale, B. Shark, C. Scats, and D. Place. So the correct option is C. Cats. The next MCQ is oxygen is transported by combining with dash and Hb. A. Nitrogen, B. Iron, C. Carbon, and D. Hydrogen. So the correct option is C. Carbon. The next MCQ is only one ovary is functional at a time in A. Human, B. Eagle, C. Pagan, and D. Pagan and human. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is nitrogen fixing bacteria in root nodules fix nitrogen in soil air into A amino, B nitrate, B nitrate, C amino acid. So the correct option is D amino acid. The next MCQs is metabolically dormant body produced within the bacterial cell membrane as A capsule, B spore, C cyst, and D cyst and spore. So the correct option is B spore. The next MCQs is menstrual cycle can be divided into A single phase, B two phase, C three phase, and D four phase. So the correct option is D four phase. The next MCQs is maximum mammalian characteristics are present in these: A. Metatheria, B. Prototheria, C. Eutherian, and D. None of given. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is Leptocardiae is a group of A. Urochordata, B. Cephalochordata, C. Vertebrae, and D. Mollusca. So the correct option is B. The next MCQs is leaves of dash are used to cure cough and cold in horses. A. Glycyrrhiza glabra. B. Cassia elata. C. Bumbo and D. Both bumbo and glycyrrhiza glabra. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is J. Cellier in 1914 discovered which type of six determination and months? A. O and XX, B. XY, XX, and D. C. ZZ, and ZW, and D. None of these. So the correct option is C. The next MCQs is it is the most critical phase of mitosis: A. Prophase, C. Telophase, C. Anaphase, and D. Metaphase. So the correct option is C. Anaphase. The next MCQs is in which of the following mitotic division is involved? A. Ogonium to primary oocytes, B. Primary oocyte to secondary oocytes, C. Secondary oocytes to eggs, and D. None of given. So the correct option is A. Ogonium to primary oocytes. The next MCQs is and maximum Gilbert method DNA threads are A. Chemically synthesized, B. Synthesized from mRNA, B. C. Synthesized by using terminating nucleotides, and D. Chemically cut into pieces. So the correct option is D. The next MCQs is if allele frequency for a dominant allele is 0.4, what will be number of heterogeneous individual if population is of 10 individual with applied traits? A 36, B 38, C 52, and D 74. So the correct option is A 36. The next MCQ is how much carbon dioxide is transported through blood proteins? A 5%, B 20%, C 25%, and D 70%. So the correct option is A 5%. The next MCQ is greenhouse gases are those that A. prevent entry of ultraviolet rays, B. prevent rainfall, C. prevent heat to escape, and D. all given options are correct. So the correct option is A. prevent entry of ultraviolet rays. The next MCQ is grassland of Argentina is A. Prairie, C. Savanna, B. C. Boreal, and D. Pampas. So the correct option is B. Sorry, D. The next MCQ is genetic recombination and bacteria can occur through A. Conjugation, B. Transformation, C. Transduction, and D. all gametes. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these and MDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.